Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 27th November 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the things that the Father teaches you now are your source of income for 21 births. Therefore, study very well and you will be constantly happy. Question. Why is the supersensuous joy of you children remembered? Answer. Because only you children know the Father at this time. Only you come to know the beginning, the middle, and the end of the world from the Father. You are now standing at the confluence in the unlimited. You know that you are now going across the salty channel to the sweet channel of nectar. God Himself is teaching you. Only you Brahmins experience this happiness. This is why only your supersensuous joy has been remembered. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. You are godly students. Therefore, you should have the intoxication of the study and be concerned about your characters. Do not miss this study for even a day. Do not insult the teacher by arriving late for class. Number 2. Have distaste for this vicious, dirty world. Make effort to make yourself, a soul, pure and satopradhan by having remembrance of the Father. Constantly remain happy and cheerful. Blessing for today. May you be a true jewel of contentment who uplifts others and creates hope in those who are hopeless. Details are: become Trikaldarshi and discern any weakness in souls. Instead of imbibing that weakness yourself or speaking about it, finish the thorn of that weakness with your benevolent form, transform the thorn into a flower. You yourself have to remain content as a jewel of contentment and make others content. You should always light a lamp of hope in someone or some situation which everyone feels is hopeless, that is, you must make disheartened souls powerful. When you continue to carry out such an elevated task, you will receive the blessing of being one who uplifts others and of being a jewel of contentment. Slogan. When you remember your promise at the time of your examination, revelation will take place. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. Throughout the day, even when you have a second, practice becoming bodiless again and again. Use even 2 to 4 seconds and you will receive a lot of help by doing this. Otherwise, your intellect will continue to work throughout the day and it will then take time to become bodiless. If you practice this, you will become bodiless whenever you want. At the end, everything will come suddenly, so, the practice of being bodiless will be most essential for the paper of suddenly.